Okay, here we go for question 3 for your quiz for tomorrow. So it says Amanda is 6 years more than double her daughter's age. In 3 years, the difference of their ages will be 18. So what are their ages now? So right away I have Amanda 6 years more than double her daughter's age. So I had to decide if I want to make, which one I want to make equal to X. So because Amanda's age is like a factor to do with her daughter's age, I'm going to say the daughter's age is going to be X. So X equals the daughter's age. And then if I'm saying Amanda is 6 years more than double her daughter's age. So double her daughter's age would be 2X. And then 6 years more than that would be plus 6. So 2X plus 6 is going to be Amanda's age. Okay, so now I've figured out what my factors are here. So it says in 3 years, the difference, so difference means subtraction, of their ages will be 18. What are their ages now? So really, we're trying to figure out, working backwards from the 3 years, what their ages are right now. So technically, the sum that we have right now is Amanda's age plus 3 years, right? So that's how old she is when it's going to be equal to 18. Amanda plus 3 years minus, because it says the difference, the daughter plus 3 years, right? Because it's 3 years, it says in 3 years. The difference of their ages will be 18. So this equals 18. Okay, so I'm going to plug in where it says Amanda, I'm going to put 2X plus 6, and where it says the daughter, I'm going to put X. So the difference of their ages. So Amanda in 3 years is going to be 2X plus 6. I'll close her off in a bracket. Plus 3, because we already have the in 3 years. Minus the daughter's age, which is X. And then plus 3 for the 3 years. The difference of those ages, so 3 years from now, will make 18. Okay, now I have an equation to work with here, and I'm going to work backwards to figure out the X, so that'll give me the daughter's age, and then we can plug it into the 2X plus 6 to find out what Amanda's age is. Okay, so here I'm going to start off by just distributing the negative into here, okay, because we're subtracting this. And I can take the brackets off of this one. So I'll put 2X plus 6 plus 3. You could combine that in that step if you want to, okay? This, because there's a negative on the outside, it's like you're multiplying everything in here by -1, but we should know that by now. So this ends up with minus X, and then -1 times 3 is minus 3. So the sign's changing here. This is equal to 18. All right, so I'm going to collect everything that I have on this side. I have 2X and a minus 1X. Okay, so I know some of you guys like to do this in your colors to combine things. So it's like a 2X and a -1X. So in total on this side, I'm going to have 2X minus 1X is just X. Okay, I'm going to move the equal sign over so that you guys can see what's happening on the other side. But I have to bring all of these other numbers to the other side. So I'm going to be left with 18. Since it was a plus 6 on this side, you have to subtract 6. Here I had plus 3. You're going to minus 3. Here I have minus 3, so you're going to plus 3. If you guys wanted to clean this up first and add and subtract this stuff on that side, that's fine. It should be no problem. It shouldn't make any difference. Okay, so you should, when you add and subtract this stuff, you should end up with X is equal to 12 when you clean this up. Okay, so that means that the daughter's age is equal to 12. Okay, so we still have to make sure we answer the question. I'm kind of running out of space to be able to show you guys this, but if the daughter is equal to 12, so X was the daughter's age, she's 12, okay, then Amanda's age is 2 times 12 plus 6. Okay, so this isn't the neatest way for me to do my work. I'm just trying to make sure you guys can see everything. So 2 times 12 is 24, plus 6 equals 30. So Amanda is 30, and the daughter is 12. That would be your answer. Okay, so let's move on to number 4.